What is going on, snipers? Naeem Al-Obeidi here. I hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day today. This is going to be an exciting video. We're really covering a lot of different things. It's going to be a little bit of a different type of video, not just focused on technical analysis. However, we're going to look at Bitcoin and why we're seeing the price bounce off of this 100-day moving average, progressing into the next coming weeks. Now, here's something I do want to mention here before we start this video. We're going to be talking about the controversy here in South Korea and how it's affecting Bitcoin right now and my thoughts on it. So let's dive right into it. So pretty much looking at this technical analysis, once again, the technical analysis won't do a lot of stuff, but it will go ahead and show you a little bit of what the price movement is actually acting upon. You can see here, based upon this, we're bouncing off of this 100-day. So I'm actually going to make this 100-day moving average actually stick out of all of these averages. If you guys don't know how to use this and you're new to SnipersTube, just open up the insert indicator right here when you right click the graph and then type in the 3 moving averages, and I have it favorited here, and that will pull up these 3 lines. I went ahead and bolded this 100-day. If you go to inputs, it's the length 2 at 100 days, and then you can see here I've went ahead and bolded that. So we've jumped off of this 100-day moving average in this graph that we're looking at least 3 times. Now, it's happened quite a bit in the past. You can see Bitcoin has been known to head down to this 100-day moving average, but what's interesting is the truth about what's actually occurring right now within the market. So based upon our Discord, if you guys are part of our Discord community, this is an open community. I highly encourage all of you guys to be on this because you guys can get all of the news first. I went on here and you guys can see tons of people here talking in our Bitcoin discussion about the price levels, where they're headed, has it found support. And one of our awesome moderators, Dorabel, actually went ahead and did a little bit of research, sent me the best articles about this controversy. So shout out to Dorabel, thank you so much. So pretty much what she found here, and I want to go ahead and highlight certain points of these articles. You can see here in South Korea, there was this rumor or controversy about South Korea banning the exchange of cryptocurrencies. And that went ahead and caused this huge stir in the market. And if you guys can see here, Joang Libo quoted a right-wing party lawmaker saying there is intelligence that the FSS employees sold all of their virtual money they had invested just before the announcement of the government measures. So there's this controversy of insider trading, right? We have confirmed that some public officials have done such an act. So obviously it's confirmed here. They're making it clear to the media that it is something that has occurred. And I want you guys to be understanding here that this is because we're in such an early market. Now, what's interesting about what occurred, if we go to this article, you can see here, illegal trading of cryptocurrency by one of its staff members, according to the Korea Times. Choi said, we've acknowledged allegations that the FSS official said sold crypto assets based on insider information before the government's updated announcement to regulate the market. We are looking into the case. So the updated announcement was the actual point in time in which he was expecting the market to drop. What does that mean? It's called price manipulation, and it's something that we're going to see time and time again. This actually happened in China, and I'm pretty sure some other insider trading most likely occurred, in my opinion. That's my humble but accurate opinion. And I say that because what happened in China when they announced the ban of ICOs around the September timeframe, you can see here, this was a Google search. You can see here, if we pull this graph up, guess what happened? This is pretty much the time frame that occurred. We saw that consolidation from 5,000 all the way down to 3,200, actually hitting 2,900 at one point, bouncing off of this 100-day. What does this lead me to conclude? And I hope this can add some value to some of you guys. You know, that's all I strive to do on this channel. But this is what I want you guys to understand. The 100-day moving average for me is the emergency support line for Bitcoin at this point. We bounce off of this 50-day moving average quite often. Typically when we have these natural occurrences of corrections, we bounce off this 50-day. But when it's something that's unnatural and it's manipulated by a certain entity, I think the 100-day is a true area where Bitcoin is able to find stability, because you can see it's bounced off of this 100-day quite often. And it's typically influenced by this outside party, right? It's fundamental analysis at the end of the day. So I hope this video is adding some sort of value. That's my perspective on this whole controversy. I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna have tons of different perspectives. The comments are gonna be blowing up. Can't wait to hear it. That's my viewpoint, because once again, this channel is meant to bring more perspective to all of you guys. And once again, if you're not part of our Discord, I'd love to see you guys there. Can't wait for our live stream tonight. We're gonna be having a night out on the Discord tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and like always, snipers out.